Hello everybody, welcome on this new video on our channel. In today's video we are going to purchase HNT, the Helium token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we will click on the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Just click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened. So for the purchasing frequency, the one-time purchase is selected. If you would like to have another purchasing frequency, just click on it. And now you can select one which suits for you. After that, we can head back to the overview and fill in the amount of fiat we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say we want to use 2 euros on this purchase. We will fill that in over here. And after that, you can select the asset we are going to buy. We would like to buy the HNT token, the Helium token. Click it in the search bar and there is the token. Select it. After that you can select the payment method which we are going to use to buy these coins. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet, and if you live in another country or using other payment methods, just click on it and there they will appear. If you don't see any available options, make sure your Coinbase account is verified. And after that you can add a payment method by clicking on this button below. If you have added it, it will appear in this list. Just select it and click on review order. Now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. And as you can see, we are spending 2 euros in total. And the Coinbase fee is free because I have a Coinbase One subscription. If you don't have the subscription, you have to pay 99 € of fee on this purchase. As you can see, they also give you an invest weekly option. If you select this button, these 2 euros will be spent every week on this coin, and you can cancel it at any time. If you would like to add the tokens to your wallet, just click on buy now and the tokens will be added to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.